At Wales and West Utilities, previously to using the Stokbord Road Shield, our engineers have been using sheets of MDF, chipboard, also sheets of tarpaulin, just as a way of trying to somehow protect the footpaths and the highways that we work on. But what we have found is that during winter conditions, especially rain and wind, those materials aren't actually sufficient. So we looked at the Road Shield protection board as part of an innovation project that we ran around about 2 years ago now, as a way of trying to reduce the amount of scarring and defects and damages that were being caused to the highways and the footpaths that we were working on. And this product was one of 3 products that we looked at, but overall came out as the best performing and also the most cost efficient. And we are currently in the process of implementing these boards across our network so that they're available to all of our engineers and hopefully see a complete reduction in the amount of preventable damage that unfortunately we can cause. The benefits that we have seen of using the Stokbord Road Shield to date has been financial benefit to actually reduce the Highways Authority's fines that we sometimes receive as a result of damage in highways and footpaths. The boards allow us to be more sustainable and environmentally friendly because these boards are reusable, they're not a one-time use. Engineers have said how easy they are to manoeuvre, and also from a customer perspective, these boards allow us to keep our sites safe and tidy, which is not just a practical health and safety challenge that we face on a daily basis, but also it offers customers the chance to see that our sites are aesthetically pleasing. Overall, I would definitely recommend the Stokbord Road Shield protection board, and I think other networks and other utility companies should definitely take note of the benefits and potentially look at rolling these out on their networks so that a fit-for-purpose solution available to their engineers and to their customers.
Stokbord Road Shield is a great partner for the utility sector. For more information, visit centriforce.com or use the contact details on screen.